as small business owners. Tip number 4 is to say your keywords in your video. I didn't mean to get so loud there, but let me say it again. Say your keywords in your video. Last year the theme was living together, citizenship, and there was something else. For video content, someone's watching Beyblades outside, I can hear them. You can come in. Just watch the door. Yes?
When are we going?
You and Daddy will be going. Mummy will be staying here and doing some recording for YouTube. Okay? Hello, Lucas. Don't choke me. So, don't you need to get some shoes on? Yep. Off you go. Close the door gently, please. I'll see you in a bit. Gently. That's what I get for trying to record with a 6-year-old in the house.